Are you thinking about grabbing a deal from valuegifted.com? Hold on, I've got something important you need to hear. As of January 2026, security experts have flagged valuegifted.com as a high-risk site. Why? For starters, there's no proof this platform is legit, unlike trusted names like giftcards.com, which show tons of positive ratings and a long-standing reputation. Valuegifted.com? Nothing verifiable, no transparent ownership. That's a big red flag. Now, let's talk about the tricks scammers use. Ever see a site offering huge rewards for almost no effort? That's a classic move to steal your information. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Another warning sign: contact info. Real businesses list a physical address, a customer service number, and a direct email. Scam sites like this one usually hide behind a generic form. No way to reach a real person. So, how do you stay safe? First, buy gift cards only from official retailers. Think Walmart or Target, not random third-party sites. Always check that the website starts with HTTPs and look for the padlock icon. That means your connection is secure. Never ever share your gift card's back numbers or PINs with an unverified site. That's how scammers drain your card the moment it's activated. And if you're asked for a fee to unlock a free gift, walk away. It's almost always a scam. If you've already shared sensitive info with valuegifted.com or a similar site, don't wait. Head over to identitytheft.gov and take action to protect your data. Stay sharp, shop smart, and don't let scammers steal your joy or your money.